Welcome to another enlightening episode on RonOvations, your go-to for all things home improvement. Now let's immerse ourselves in the world of solar panels and roofs. A match made in renewable energy heaven. Or is it? Strap in as we dissect the impact of solar panels on different types of roofing materials. First up, we have the popular asphalt shingle roofs. These are like the bread and butter of roofing materials, common, reliable, and cost-effective. But when it comes to having a relationship with solar panels, it can be a bit of a mixed bag. On the one hand, asphalt shingles have a solid structure, making them suitable for solar panel installation. But like any love story, it's not all rainbows and sunshine. The installation process can cause wear and tear, potentially reducing the lifespan of your shingles. It's like a romance novel with a bittersweet ending. Now let's shift gears and talk about metal roofs. If asphalt shingles are the bread and butter, then metal roofs are the gourmet, gluten-free toast. They're durable, long-lasting, and solar panels, they absolutely love them. The smooth, sturdy surface of metal roofs makes it easy to install solar panels without causing damage. It's like a love story with a happily ever after. Next, we have tile roofs. Elegant and stylish, they're like the haute couture of roofing materials. But when it comes to solar panels, it's a bit of a complex relationship. While tile roofs can handle the weight of solar panels, the installation process can be tricky. Tiles can break or crack, causing a bit of a heartbreak. But with careful installation, it's a romance that can last a lifetime. Now, onto the wooden roofs. They're charming and rustic, but when it comes to solar panels, it's more of a star-crossed lover's tale. The fragile nature of wooden roofs makes it difficult to install solar panels without causing damage. It's a relationship that requires a little extra care and caution. So whether you're team asphalt, team metal, team tile, or team wood, it's clear that solar panels can work with any roofing material. It's all about understanding the dynamics of their relationship. Before we wrap up, remember every roof and solar panel installation is unique. It's like a romance novel. No two stories are the same. So always consult with a professional before embarking on your solar panel journey. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, your family, your neighbor's dog, anyone who might find it useful. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more informative and entertaining videos from RonOvations. And remember, if you need professional help with your home improvement projects, RonOvations is just a call away at 647-760, 7663, or visit www.ronovations.ca. So until next time, keep shining like the sun or a well-polished solar panel.